everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my next zodiac sign, that is Gemini. Gemini, let's see what we have in our August month. 2021 August, Gemini. Lot of conflicting energy, lot of mental conflict. You want to be in your power, but something that you are striving very hard to be there. Okay, somewhere there is a lot of maybe your aims and goals right now you are not focusing at. You're just focusing on being stable in your life. You're very confused. Okay, the first week of August for Gemini is going to be a lot of stable energy where they will have money in their hand. They will do a lot of investments, maybe shares, maybe putting in money somewhere so that money that you have is multiplied. So there is money in the hand in the first week of August for Gemini. Now the second week, there are offers coming to you work, which are not very big offers. They are small offers, but there are a lot of offers. Okay, you're still thinking whether which offer to take. So in the second week, you'll be still thinking. You will consider and come down to the one offer that benefits you, but it will take time. You will take a whole lot of that whole week to think about it. The third week is going to be a little. You might feel hurt. You might feel hurt somebody says something to you, or you might feel hurt that you're working so hard and things didn't turn out the way you wanted it to. Okay, so a little disappointment, hurt might come to you. Yes, it is something to do with a toxic energy around you. I feel, please clear your energy field. I feel this is more to do with other people putting toxicity on you, a lot of negativity, throwing negativity on you at work. So because of that, your some work will not happen and you will feel very hurt about it. Okay, it is more outside than inside. I feel some people might conspire and not let your work happen. A lot of cheating energy, cheaters, cheating, lying people, toxic people around you. So just be careful in the third week, Gemini. And in the fourth week, you're going to be again with the same energies carried forward in the fourth week, where you will feel that, oh, I worked so hard and I lost so much. Okay, and I've worked so hard and I lost so much. But I'm looking only at the losses. I'm not looking at what I have. I still have a few things that to feel proud about and to, feel good about, right? So that energy is there, and you are going to meet your soulmate also in the fourth week. Like I said, there's a lot of fourth week soulmate twin flame energy. So maybe you are disappointed with your current relationship and you might have someone else coming in your life who will make you feel better. There is a lot of disappointment in the relationship that was currently with you, but turned into toxicity in your work. The relationship is connected to toxicity at work. Your relationship is blocking your work. And in the fourth week, which you want to begin new in life, it's not happening because you went through this toxicity and you're disappointed, but there will be a twin flame soulmate energy which will come to you so that you can begin new in life. Okay, this is all work related. So the first week is money, second week is offers, third week is hurt at work, fourth week is disappointment at work, but something new is also coming. Okay, don't worry. Let's see what we have in our relationship area. As I feel there is a soulmate twin flame coming your way in the month of August in my tarot cards, and in this love cards, I feel there is somebody coming towards you. See? Similar card. There is a lot of coming together energy, and you're coming together with someone. Something new. People who are single and who've just maybe broken up or something, someone new will come, and that is going to be a true love, because this card I consider as true love. So it is true love, definitely. Your solar plex and your base chakra is blocked right now. Solar plex is feeling fears, we feel fear in our stomach, right? Feeling fears and maybe insecurity, and your base chakra is blocked. That is why you're not attracting the right uh, career, maybe right money, right? So you have to work on these areas. There is definitely dreams coming true, because you are embracing this relationship for sure, and this relationship is maybe you've been dreaming about, or been maybe this has been your wish fulfillment. This is going to happen. The only block here is maybe your own fears. Your own fears have blocked your relationship. So come out of your fears, come out of the toxicity which you have faced in the past. Just let it go. You can't do anything about it. There's a lot of yellow here, so I feel this is yellow. 2-3 cards are yellow. So your insecurity level, sorry to say, might be high, and somewhere don't feel balanced, because solar plexus also come. So please work on that. Somewhere you're not ready to listen to anybody right now, and that is a block. Listen to your heart. Listen to what your heart says. If your heart says go to this person, go to this. What will happen? Nothing. That person will accept you, because if you are genuinely expressing love to someone and embracing that person will embrace you back, because this is your twin flame, your mirror energy, right? You are embracing in the month of August. You are moving forward and embracing that person, that relationship, that love that you have been looking for. Okay, the only block is your chakras and your fears, so please work on that. Okay, so that's all. Now let's see what fairy message I have for you. Look in a book. Maybe you're not reading much, because the teach card also had come upside down. Whatever your question right now, you'll find the answer in a book. The words you find will bring the right insight you seek. So the teach card was upside down, so that is why maybe I feel maybe you're not reading enough spiritual books, or maybe you're not taking enough advice from right people who are like spiritual masters, or maybe your really true friends. You should take advice, you should read more books. I feel it is more to do with a spiritual book, or the book you connect with, and you will get your answers of life, and you will be able to take a decision in the month of August, Gemini. So this is amazing, lovely answer from the fairies. And that's all for today. Please do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, because I put everything out there. Okay, and stay safe, stay healthy, and that's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye. Bye.